tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way.
Welcome back, family. If you are new, welcome. My name is Cinda / the boss. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for every time the boss upload a new video. I am so glad to have you here. In today's video, I am going to remove all of my Christmas decor. Let's get started. Let's get it done like a boss. Okay, family, instead of using storage bins for my pigs, I am going to use boxes. Because last year I used the clear storage bins for my pigs, some of them turned out different colors, especially the white ones. That's why I don't want to use any clear storage bin for my pigs anymore. For my ornaments, I use clear bins from Target with a lot of bubble wrap just to protect my glass ornaments. I keep the peacock in the same bags. The small reindeer, I put them in the plastic bin. I use a lot of bubble wrap as well. The big reindeer from the gallery, I put them in the same box that it was shipped in. That's why I always save all the boxes. I did the same for the acrylic reindeer. The pillow and the blanket, I put them in the box as well.
You made me happy, we danced through the night.
Guys, don't forget to come back so you can see how I decorate our formal living room for winter 2022 home decor trends.
Sweet memories of the town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost.
Okay, family, now I am done. I am going to put all the boxes in the basement. Keep on watching. Back because you don't want to miss my living room trend for the 2022. I am so excited, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now let's get it done like a boss.
Past the creek where we used to swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been away too long.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay kishanouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a home decor lover, you click on the white page. I have so many home decor ideas videos for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's get it done like a boss. I am so glad to have you here.
Sweet memories of the town I love, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one? Were you the one? Always on my mind. Were you the one? Always there. Were you the one that got away? I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. And no one can break me, no one can bring me down. it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. 'Cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you